stringent. We're taking it up a notch, if you will, by trying to include a color and really trying to give us, the user, an additional, I don't know, way to think about the data or slice the data at first glance. Color can be very useful. In this case, I would argue that we aren't using color the right way. Having it being based on agent or having it being based on a lot of it, there's no consistency, right, or continuity, kind of between these. So this is something, of course, that I would, want to correct, just from a analytics standpoint or using the front end tool appropriately. The color can actually be a big driver of importance when we're talking about, getting our decisions made or understanding what's going on, right, with the actual data itself. So this time, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter so we can, start talking about it as it's running. I'm going to do, create an executive summary dashboard using the line of business code with written premium, sorted descending by value as a horizontal bar chart. Top 15, as we talked about last time. Oh, I didn't take out the current. So that little snafu there. I will take out the current policy status by earned premium, as we talked about with the pie chart, and then our claim status by claim count in a donut. The key here is use incurred loss as the only color in every chart, and then add data labels so that we can see things a little bit more clearly as well. Now you can see, right, how we started to add in the color scheme. whether or not I like the color scheme, we could talk about that as well. But at least, right, for the essence of the dashboard itself, it starts to really give us an idea of what's really driving these numbers, right, by having the incurred loss, as our color, understanding, right, our differences. You can see, what it looks like from a closed perspective, but what does it look like from an incurred perspective? How much of the open, right, is actually driving the value, or the closed is actually driving the value, right? All of that stuff, of course, matters for our end user as well. So adding in the colors, does give it a little bit more, I think, understandability, if you will, to the end user and also to the creator. Again, whether or not we like that color, we could go into that more